Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know me, thank you so much for coming back. Before you leave my channel, before you click out of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me and you're just a part of what I'm doing. You never miss a notification. So yeah, come on and be a part of, this bubble of love and positivity. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also click the bell beside it. Don't forget to give this video a nice big thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below as well. I'd love to hear your feedback, any tips, tricks, any products you want me to try on my channel, or just let me know what types of videos you'd like for me to do and what you want to see. I'm definitely down to pretty much try almost anything. Almost anything appropriately. So yeah, let's keep it PG here as well. All right, now that we've gotten that out of the way, today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a makeup tutorial. This tutorial is going to be on this pretty golden bronzy look. I just felt like living my life like it was golden today, and it just really complements the brown sweater that I am wearing, and I just love this look. I wasn't too excited about the lip at first. It was a little bit difficult to work with, but everything came together, thank God. So I'm just happy about that. All right, so I'm not going to ramble. I know, as I say in every video, let's go ahead and get into this video because I don't want this intro to be super duper long, but we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. But first, I know for some of you who've wondering, why haven't I been uploading like my weight loss journey, another video about that, where I've been kind of sort of MIA, have been uploading pretty sparingly. I truly do apologize for that, you guys. I was in the hospital yesterday and pretty much supposed to be bed resting, but filming videos and doing my makeup tutorials is not really stressful. So this is a way for me to kind of just get more content out for you guys, because I am pretty much like sitting there just editing, and I'm not getting up, moving around, not lifting anything. And I enjoy putting on makeup because, like, look at this, it's so pretty to me. But yeah, I just enjoy putting on makeup, so I thought like this would actually be a good way for me to get more content out for you guys and also be kind of resting at the same time. So I'm seriously done this time. All right, you guys, if you want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch. Hey guys, what's up? So starting with foundation, I'm taking the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm going to apply this all over my face and blend it in with my Real Techniques brush. Once I have everything blended in, I'm going in with my Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm going to apply these to the areas that I normally highlight. Following applying it, I'm going to blend it out with the same brush that I used to apply my foundation with. Once I have that all blended in, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm using that to set that concealer so that it does not crease, and just make sure that it doesn't move throughout the day. Now that I finally have everything all set, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC50, and I'm using that to set my foundation around pretty much the outer perimeter of my face. And without picking up any additional product, I'm setting everywhere that concealer was. So pretty much all over my face. Next, I'm going in with a bronzer, and I'm using the Wet n Wild bronzer in Queensland because I want to give my skin that nice sun-kissed glow today. I want to look very sun-kissed and bronzy and golden. I'm also going to take that bronzer and apply it to my nose. I'm not really contouring my nose, but I did get a little carried away with the bronzer. I guess my nose just wasn't looking snatched and I wasn't used to that, so I did put on a little bit of extra bronzer to my nose. Next, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place palette, and this palette is the Juvia's Place. This is the mini Masquerade palette, and the first shadow that I'm going to go into is this nice brown shadow. It's called Burkina, so it's a nice brown shade, a nice chocolate shade. And I'm applying this shadow into my crease, going back and forth like windshield wiper motions, and this is going to be the color that I use as a transition. So I'm pretty much going to layer shadows today. Next, I'm going to go in, I'm going to take a darker brown. This is called Fulani, and I'm going to apply it into my crease as well. Just a slight bit lower than I did Burkina, just to show that bit of transition from light to dark. And as you can see, it made my crease very defined. So we're pretty much contouring our eyelids today, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful golden shade, Casablanca, and I did spray my brush with some Morphe setting mist spray, and that just made it really more pop and intensified the pigment even more. And I'm going to do the same for the other eye, just kind of applying this onto my lid. Now the shade looked a little bit more copper than golden to me, so I am going to go back into that palette. I'm going to add the shade Dahlia, and I'm going to apply that directly on top just to give me more of that golden look that I am looking for. Now I'm just going back in and I'm just blending out those shadows, making sure there are no lines of demarcation. And I'm going back in with Fulani to apply that underneath my lash line to really kind of give me just a hint of smoke, but not too much. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to dust away any excess eyeshadow that might have fallen out from my eyelids. Going in with mascara, I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Voluminizing Mascara, which has been my favorite mascara to use lately, and I'm applying that on my top lashes as well as my bottom lashes. I'm just coating my lashes up with some mascara because I'm not using any falsies today, so I'm using a bit more than normal, and I'm just making sure those lashes are nice and extended. Next, going back into the Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to take the shade Cairo, and I'm going to use this shade as a blush today because I didn't really have a blush color that I wanted to use, so I'm just using that one. And for highlight, I'm going back into that palette and I'm taking Dahlia, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm using it as a highlight because I really want a golden sheen today, and this was the perfect shadow to give me that look. And yes, I went a little crazy with this because I'm used to my highlighters just like blinding me. But yeah, still worked out really perfectly. Next for lips, I'm taking this Maybelline. This is a metallic foil liquid lip, and it is in the shade Trident or number 90. And I'm using this to give my lips a nice golden look, a nice gold foil look. And I didn't like the way the liquid lip looked by itself, so I did go in with MAC's Chestnut to line my lips, just to kind of just kind of define my lips a little bit more and just kind of make it look a little bit more, you know, to my liking. You know, it's a preference. You could wear the liquid lip by itself, but I wasn't feeling how it was looking by itself, so I did use my own thing. And this isn't my favorite lip product. Once it dried down, it was kind of okay, but yeah, this is pretty much it. After the lips and everything's done, I did spray my face once again with some more Morphe setting spray, and that was it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a finished look. I feel like a golden goddess. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.